Having trouble syncing your Outlook calendar with your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync all your appointments from Outlook to your Apple Calendar. Let's dive right in. To sync your Outlook to iCloud or Calendar, first make sure to enable iCloud account. To do that, follow solution 1. Sync iCloud with the Calendar app. Open Settings, tap Apple ID. Scroll down, tap iCloud. Tap See All right next to Save to iCloud. Find out Calendar app. Make sure to turn it on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off, then turn it back on again. Solution 2. Enable Calendar setting from Outlook account. Open Setting, scroll down to the end. Tap App, tap Search, type Calendar. Find out the app. Tap Calendar account. Find your Outlook account. Open the account. Make sure to add your Outlook account. Make sure to turn it on the Calendar app. If this is already turned on, then turn it off. Tap Delete from my iPhone, then turn it back on again. Go back, scroll down, tap Sync, select All Event. And that's it. You've successfully synced your iPhone's calendar with your Outlook account. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.